Hey guys, I'm Tyler, and today we're going off-roading. We got a beautiful day out here in southern Idaho. It's a Monday afternoon. I don't think anybody's gonna be out here, so let's get at it. First things first, I'm gonna set tire pressure to about 17. That'll make it, oh boy, that'll make it easier. What in the hell? Little whoopy section there. Not gonna do anything special. So far we're still just in two-wheel drive, still kind of getting to the actual trail here. As you can see from my previous attempt, it's a little muddy today. So we're gonna back up and then we're gonna give it some gas and see if I make up this hill here. This is gonna be a little tricky. That sounds like a no in two-wheel drive to me. Yeah, not muddy at all, right? So we're gonna lock the hubs and then try one more time, a better angle. We gotta see here if I can clear out my lugs so I can get some traction. That's a lot of mud. Yeah, that is a fair amount of mud, not gonna lie. Okay, we'll back her out. What I bet you didn't know, rock sliders are great for clearing mud out of your boots. As fun as that was, hopefully we don't have too much more mud on here because the rocks make it plenty difficult as is, but we'll keep plodding along here. A little bit of a drop. So it is sections like these where I'm glad I aired down. This is a fairly rocky portion, and even if I don't need all the traction, even if I do this in two-wheel drive, the ride comfort is a lot better, a lot less bumpy if I have, you know, let some air out of my tires. So I'm able to get through this in two-wheel drive right now, but I'm not taking and absorbing all of the bumps because the lack of air pressure in my tires is doing some of the work for me. Just to give you guys a sense of the terrain here, these are some of the first real obstacles on this trail. And these will give me a challenge. These are going to require four-wheel drive. Generally, some pretty good-sized rocks out here. Some stuff that's definitely going to put me off camber. Hopefully I won't flex out too much, but might spin some tires here. tumbleweeds. Looks like I'll just go right through these. Sweet. There's a little bit of a flex, not quite full, but pretty close. Usually when I have full flex, my springs are just barely unseat and they're still tight, so I've got a little more to go yet, but yeah, that's pretty good flex. We got the via air out, and now we're just gonna air up, head home. But that was a good little run. If you guys have any questions or comments, anything you'd like to know about the vehicle, go ahead and comment those. Give this video a like, really appreciate it. But thanks a lot for watching, guys.